Namaskar.
Hi friends, now this is the part number 2 of allegation. Before coming in this lecture, you must go in the previous lecture. So your concept it will clear. In the previous lecture, we have taken the two quantity and after then we mix and after then we try to find the ratio between two mixture. Now in this lecture, we will explain if there are more than two quantity, then what will happen. So let us this example, in what proportion may three kind of wheat at rupees 1.27, rupees 1.29 and rupees 1.32 per kg be mixed to produce mixture worth rupees 1.30 per kg. At first I will explain in the next question, that is also same. Here I will give you one trick and by the help of this trick you can solve within 5 seconds. Now, so you have three type of wheat. Number, this is the first type of wheat, WHEAT, and this is the second type of wheat. Then you have third wheat. Then you have mean price. Okay, so this is actually this is 1.27, this is 127. Okay, we have convert in paisa, and this is 127, this is 129, again this is paisa, this is 132, this is paisa, because the mixed price is 130 paisa per kg. Okay, now here the first two prices are less and the third price is greater than the mean value. You can see. So we will use our allegation method. At first, the first part, at first I will explain you by our big method, then I will give you the trick. So at first I will use the first wheat and this is the third wheat. Okay, this is the third wheat. Okay, your first wheat it is 127 and your third wheat that is 132, and already we know that your mean price that is 130. Okay, so your value, it is the cheaper, it is the dearer, so it will be 132 minus 30 is equal to 130 is equal to 2 and 130 minus 127 is equal to 3. So your ratio is 2:3. If we are taking the quantity, the second quantity, second wheat, and we are taking the third wheat. So your second wheat is 129 and your third is 132 and your mean, that is mean is 130. If you are subtracting, then after then this is the cheaper, this is the dearer. So the cost of the cheaper, that is 132 minus 30 is equal to 2 and 130 minus 129, this is 1. So your ratio is 2:1. So before you had 2:3, now you have 2:1. Now listen carefully. Now in whatever proportion these two mixtures are mixed, the price of the resulting mixture will always be 130, that is 130 paisa per kg, because both mixture cost 130 paisa per kg. Okay, now 5 kg of first mixture, 5 kg of first mixture 5 kg of first mixture is composed of 2 kg of wheat at 127 paisa, that is 127 paisa. You know that this ratio 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so in the 5 you have second part, in the 5 mixture you have, that is the third part. Okay, what he is saying, now 5 kg of the first mixture is composed of 2 kg of wheat at 127 paisa, means overall that is 5 kg. In the 5 kg, the second part is the first wheat and third part is this third wheat. Okay, so the cost of 2 kg, the cost of 2 kg is 127 paisa. Okay, and the cost of 3 kg, that is 132 paisa. You can see. Okay, So and 3 kg of second mixer. Now here you can see that 3 kg of means 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 kg. Overall 3 kg, the second part is second wheat and one part is the third wheat in this mixture. So in 3 kg of wheat at 132 paisa and 3 kg of second wheat mixture composed of 2 kg, that is 2 kg of wheat 129 paisa and 1 kg of wheat, this is 132 paisa. Okay, hence 5 plus 3 is equal to, this is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 3 and this is 5 kg and this is 3 kg overall ratio. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. In the overall, in this 2 ratio you have 8. So 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 kg of the resulting mixture is composed of 2 kg of 127 paisa, okay, and 2 kg of 129 paisa. This is the second wheat, okay. In the first wheat 2 kg of 127 paisa, in the second wheat 2 kg of 129 paisa, and in third is also here and also here 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 kg is 132 paisa and 4 kg is 132 paisa, hence the required proportion is 2 ratio 4, that is 1 ratio 2. This is your answer, resultant answer. So now I think that this is a very long method. Now I will give you the shortcut method. Within 5 seconds you can solve it. So how to solve it? At first we will read this question. How must a grocer mix 4 types of rice, roth 54 paisa, 72 paisa and rupees 1.20 and rupees 1.44 per kg so as to obtain a mixture at 96 paisa per kg? Okay, so this question and this question both are same. I will use one shortcut method. At first I will write this 54 paisa here, then I will write 72 paisa here, then I will write 120 paisa here, then after that I will write 144 paisa here. This is in rupees and we have converted this rupees to paisa. Okay, so now the overall mixture, that is 96. The overall mixture, that is the cost is 96 paisa per kg. So what we will do now? At first I will subtract 96 minus 54. 96 minus 54. So your So this is 96 minus 54. So that is your 96 minus 54. You can subtract 96 minus 54. 6 plus 4 is equal to 2 and 9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 42. You have 42. Okay. So or you can also solve like that. 96 plus 54. 96 plus 54 is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and no, this is not. I will give you the another method. So he has given us how must a grocer mix 4 type of mix 54 paisa, 72 paisa, 120 paisa and 144 paisa per kg so that he is getting 96 paisa. Okay, so here we are getting this. We will give you one trick. So 96 minus 54, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. You have 42. I will give you another trick. So in this question we will give you the trick. So here we have written 144 minus 96, that is 48. 120 minus 96, that is 24. And then we have written here 96 minus 24. Actually this is 72. Okay, then you will get again 24, then 96 minus 54, this is again 42. Now here you are thinking how we have written this form. I will just explain you something. At first you have to write all the items one another in order to magnitude, the least being uppermost. Okay, you can see that at first we have written 54, then 72, then 120, then 144. So you have to write in this denomination. Okay, then so once you have set down the mean price to the left of the price, link the price in pairs so that the price greater than and lesser than the average price go together. Then find the difference between each price and mean price and place in opposite direction to the price with which it is linked. Now I will explain you. Here we have written 96, that is the mixer price. We have written 54. Then you can also solve by this method, and that is a different method. 72, 120, 144. At first we are linking this and this. Okay, then we are linking this and this. So that is the least price. Okay, so we are linking to this one, then we are linking to this. Okay, so here we are finding the relationship between first wheat and third wheat, then second wheat and third wheat. Same thing we are also doing. We are finding the relation. We are linking this this first and fourth and second and third. Okay, so we have got this is 48. We have got, I am writing here 48. We have got, this is the first value, then second value we have got 24, and third value we have got again 24, and again we have got this 42 here. So we have subtracted 144 minus 96, then we have subtracted 120 minus 96. Okay, then we have subtracted 96 minus 72, then we have subtracted 96 minus 54. So means the greater value you will subtract to the this minus this, then if the value is less, then this minus this. Same thing we have done. So that is your ratio. So your ratio is 48 ratio 24 ratio 24 ratio 42. So it will be equivalent to 8 ratio 4 ratio 4 ratio 7. Okay, so this is your answer. Now second one, this is the first solution and the second solution and the second solution. Solution can be anyone. Okay, so now you can see, if we can also write like this 96, you can also write like this 54, 72, 120, 144. Okay, we have done. Now maybe you can take this and this one and this one. Okay, and you can take also this one and this one. Okay, so the first and third and second and third. How we have taken here? At that time I told you that here in this question you can see here the first two price are less and the third price. The first two price are less and the third price is greater than the mean price. Your third price is greater than the mean price. Okay, so both time we have taken the third price here. Okay, and we are comparing the third price with first and third price with second. Here also you can see that is the greater price. That is, what is the mean price? Mean price is 96. So this value and this value, all three value are greater than this mean value. Okay, all three value are greater than this value. This value is less than. Okay, here also same thing. So we can use in this problem in this the first one, this is the first method and this another method. So if you are mixing this and this and this and this, in this condition you will write, your 120 minus 96, 120 minus 90. You have to subtract this minus this, this minus this, and this minus this, this minus this, nothing. So 120 minus 96, 120 minus 96. Okay, so we are mixing this and this. So here the value will come 120 minus 96. So 120 minus 96 is 24. Then the second value you can see 144, and we have attached this and this. So in this condition 144 minus 96, 144 minus 96 will come here. That will be 48. then this and this, or it means that 96 minus 54, this value will come here. Okay, 96 minus 54, then this is 42 and this is here, so 96 minus 72, 96 minus 72, this value will come here, so you will get 24. So you have to write the value here: 24, 48, 42 and 24. So your ratio it will be 24 ratio 48 ratio 42 ratio 24. So it will be equivalent to 4 ratio 8 ratio 7 ratio 4. So you have this ratio. Okay, so what he has asked, how must a grocer mix 4 types of rice, broth, this, so as to obtain a mixture of 96 paisa per kg. So you have two solutions for such type of problem. Either he will mix in this method or he will mix in this method. So I think that, I hope you understand what we want to teach you. Thank you so much.